Lexi.
Here at Light Elegance headquarters in Redmond, Oregon.
Cheers.
Cheers to you too.
Woo!
We are here celebrating Labor Day. Yay! Celebrating all you laborers out there, which are you guys, right? We labor. You're a laborer.
I'm a laborer. Anyone that works, I think, is a laborer.
They are.
So it's nice to have a day off.
It's absolutely fabulous to have a day off. So, in celebration of a day off and in celebration of all of us who are working and all that, we are celebrating by 99. If you go online or call us and purchase $99 or more,
Free shipping.
which is amazing. You get a free tumbler.
Yes. A tumbler shaped as kind of a stemless wine glass. It's got this nice lid on there. Oh, God. Stainless steel.
Whoa,
I know.
You know your ingredients.
Oh, I did my research. And I use this at home. Put a little tequila in there. Swashy, drinky.
But
We're good friends, me and this thing.
Anyway, the 20th anniversary celebrating. But this is kind of cool. You can celebrate your Labor Day and be home. Well, you can fill it with water, sparkling water, a little wine, or a little tequila, a little vodka. You can take this to work and your clients will never know what you're drinking.
It's true. And not smell it because it's got the lid.
You would think of that, right? So anyway, $99 or more, free shipping, and a free 20th anniversary Light Elegance tumbler starting now and goes through until Monday.
Monday?
Yeah, we'll after this.
Well, Labor Day's Monday, right?
Yeah, it's Monday.
Oh, goes through Tuesday.
Joseph told us.
Yeah, so you have 2 days to get a bonnet.
That's right. Happy Labor Day, you guys.
Happy Labor
Enjoy.
Day. Bye.